Hi, my name is Jeremy from Dejero, and I'm here to show you how to use the LivePlus mobile app from Dejero. After you download the application from the App Store, I want you to go into your settings and then go to the LivePlus mobile to adjust the settings for the app. Once you get in here, I want you to make sure that you have the read and write privileges enabled for photos because this allows you to use store and forward on here so you can record videos to your phone and then be able to upload them to the Dejero Waypoint or Flex Point. Then you want to make sure that you have the microphone and camera turned on, along with your cellular data. After that, as I scroll down, you can select the video standard. I'm going to make sure that I'm selected for NTSC, going back out, and then also checking my resolution. Since I utilize 720p at my station, I'm going to select 720p. For external audio device, I have the option of selecting Lightning connection, connecting it to the bottom of my phone using my headset, or I can use a Bluetooth option. Right now I'm using Bluetooth using my AirPods. Now for live streaming, I'm going to set my max bitrate, which right now I'm going to leave at 4 megabits per second. Make sure I have IFB output, so I'll be able to receive IFB from my receiver at the station. Also, I'm not going to be using preset latency or up to latency, so I can have those unchecked. I also want to make sure that enable for live grid is turned on, so that way anytime I turn on the application, they'll be able to see me and control wherever they need to direct my transmitter or my phone to an output. I also want to make sure that using cellular radio is turned on, so that way I can use cellular radio and Wi-Fi and they will blend to make sure that they have a reliable video stream. After that, I can go back to the LivePlus mobile app. Now that this is on, it's going to get initialized. After it's finished initializing, in the upper left, you have the ability to start your live stream. In the middle, you have the ability to flip the camera. And then in the upper right, you also have the ability to turn on the flash. In the bottom left, you can see that it's measuring the audio. I also have the option to select what latency I want to use, just like our transmitters. You have 1.5 seconds, 3 seconds, or 8 seconds. I'm going to leave mine at 1.5 seconds. On the right, you can also see a bar which allows me to zoom in and out, controlling my camera. I can also click on the live option down here if I want to record, which is just like storing on our transmitters. It's going to record to my phone's hard drive. Or I could import, which allows me to transmit a file that's already been recorded to my phone. Since I'm going to use this for live, I'm just going to simply select live. And now that I have all my settings set up, I'm just going to go ahead and click on start. It's going to test the connections, and as soon as it's done testing the connections and I start going live, you'll see that these graphs will go away. Now I'm going live, back to the station. If I want to stop that live, in the upper left where it says on air, I simply click on that button, go off air, click OK, and then I'm good to go.